It's my first time attending an event for college.
Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. There simply ain't no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home. I walk the streets.
Hi guys. It's been so long since I'm watching Ong Fam. Anyway, it's been so long since anyway, it's been so long since I've filmed a vlog. Actually, I think may isa pa akong vlog na hindi ko pa na-edit at hindi ko pa na-post. But here I am making another one. But tomorrow kasi is the first ever time I'm going to attend a Benilde event. It's my first time attending an event for college. So, I don't know if this video is gonna be a part of a vlog for college vlog. I don't know, but I hope I make good friends there. Ayun lang. I'm kind of scared. Hopefully college will be good to me and let my dreams come true. Grabe ang eye bags. I miss my mom, I miss my dad, I miss my friends back in my hometown. I just miss talking to someone. I have to be there at 7:30 kasi yung registration daw is at 8 and the event starts at 9. And it's not only theater arts that will attend that event. I think there are a few more. So I think AB Film, I don't know, but yeah, let's go. I'm watching Ong Fam. They've been my therapist, as in, like sila yung nabigay sa akin ng realizations na maybe I'm not a city girl, maybe I'm a probinsyana. I don't know. Kasi parang nakaka-drain yung city. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, like, not really disappointed. Pero yung, dati kasi, ang excited ko na, oh my God, I'm a Manila girl. Tapos ngayon na nasa Maynila na ako, parang na-realize ko na, it's kind of lonely here. Unless you have friends, but it gets quite lonely. Especially when you grew up sa probinsya. Tapos pupunta ka sa Maynila mag-isa. It's not like in the movies. Hindi yun yung pinapakita nila na yung dormmate mo magiging kaibigan mo agad. Which, positive naman yung relationship. Relationship ko with my roommates. Pero hindi siya yung kung nag-click kami agad. We're friends agad. No. I just find myself being alone most of the time here sa room. Hindi ko kinukulong sarili ko sa room ko kasi I don't wanna overthink. You know, when my brain thinks something, talagang it goes to a million places. Pero I just find myself taking myself out on dates a lot more than I expected. Palagi akong pupunta sa lounge to, you know, surround myself with people para hindi ako mag-feeling na alone ako palagi. Kasi it's so sad. Nakaka-alone siya talaga. Pero tomorrow is a big event which may build friendships that can go along through college and hopefully work then. So, yeah. Let's see tomorrow if I vlog something. Sana kayanin ng iCloud ko kasi ang dami kong videos with my friends sa HSI na walang kwenta, pero I find myself watching them whenever I feel alone here sa dorm. So, yeah. Let's see if I vlog tomorrow. Sana, maalala ko. Ayun, 4 minutes na ako nag-yap. See you tomorrow. Bye! Good night!
Maybe that's over. I wanted the case to last longer. Come on, it's not necessarily over. I mean,
Hi, I just got done with my makeup. And, oh, what time is it? It's currently 17 a.m. and I should be there at around 7:30. Nag-off na yung aircon, mainit na. Okay, I think it's time to go. Kasi nag-off na yung aircon. Grabe, anong floor na to? Ninth? Ah, ninth na. Wow! Look, ah! Any other? Ay. So this is our tour guide, guys. Hey, Jake Paulers! Ay. Team 10! Escape rooms na tayo mag-escape.
Never again. Gusto ko matry. Never ako naka-escape sa mga escape.
Ay! Ikaw yung victim. I'm in love to heaven! Hey!
Love that energy.
Yes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Family daw sa classroom pero may magka-boyfriend. Oh, sweetie home! Ikaw na lang ang katabi ngayong gabi. Hala! Ano ba yan?
Ipapasok ko lang.
Okay na yan!
Hindi pa nga napapapap yung style niya. Hindi pa siya ano.
Here's mine.
Star.
Here's Addie's. Here's... Ah! Here's star. Here's Nanami Kento.
Ayan, basta star
Here's
yan.
star. Cube!
Basta star yan.
Basta may edge.
They squeeze the...
Here's mine!
Hindi ko siya mapasok eh.
Direct ano na?
Direct. Nasa stress ako ah.
Osby Cruz.
Absolutely, Conductor John. It's marvelous to see everyone see. R&B also.
Yes, we also.
Wait, okay. We'll be right back, Star Cadets.
Be right back.
Can no longer contain our excitement to show you how a true Benilton can shine. Appear some goods beyond your wildest imagination, because our astronomical dress code never stopped anyone.
Now here's Dawn with a look that will surely keep you drawn.
Oh my god.
Here comes Vanessa, a shining star.
We're going home. How was it?
It's fun, but kinda tiring.
Very tiring. Taas ng energy namin kanina. That was so fun. I think that's the most fun I've been in a while. Kahit masaya sa HSI, like, watching the performances, I was like, I want to be in that stage too. Grabe! And then I met some friends. It was a really good friend group. Yung nakastay ko, yung Team 11. It was so fun. Like, asking them all, may mga experiences na sila sa arts, sa theater. Tapos ako, wala. I feel like I need to catch up. I need to, like, boost my portfolio for future stuff. And it was just so fulfilling and so nice to feel na I get to talk about the things that I love while these people are also so passionate about it, that they have dreams about it. And finally, parang nagtutugma na yung gusto kong makita sa buhay ko with their dreams as well. Parang it's so nice to feel na I get to talk about my dreams so freely without the feeling of hindi tugma yung dreams namin sa isa't isa. Kasi medicine, yeah, I have a lot of friends from HSI. Pero yung dreams nila, nandun sa med. Eh ako na gumanon, parang it's so nice to feel na there are people pala na may dreams na similar sa akin. Kasi the time that I was deciding whether I should take nursing or shift to theater, parang there is no knowledge of how it's gonna go. Like, wala akong guide what to do. Tapos now na I found some friends that have a lot of experience, parang, okay, we gotta take it step by step. It's just so nice to have friends that passionate about the things that I'm also passionate with. Kakain na ako. Gutom na ako. Tapos ang fun ng mga student trainers. I would love to join orgs. Yeah, baka hindi na mag-varsity. Orgs na lang ako. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the vlog. I'm just gonna insert some clips nung very loud, very lively, and very parang na-excite kang mag-school ulit na Froshy program. That was so fun. I'm so excited to be a Benilian. Dati ano tawag sa atin? Crusaders? Sentinels? Kung ano man tawag sa atin dati. I'm so excited to be a Benilian. Tapos we learned how to, speaking of this, I think this is T. I forgot. Pero there was a portion na they taught us how to do the sign language. Like, thank you, good morning, good morning, afternoon, night, good Ngayon, paggabi na. So, good night? I don't know if I'm correct. Pero, the school is just so inclusive. Ang saya. I have no other words apart from what I said like 4 minutes ago. I'm gonna eat na. Probably gonna take a bath because it's very sweaty. I was wearing a knit sweater the whole time. Hopefully it didn't smell bad, but that's it for this video. O, diba? Naka-vlog ako. Huwag kang ano. Okay. Hopefully maging consistent na ako sa paggawa ng videos. Ayan lang. Bye!